Welcome back to the Auto Garage Pro, your #1 destination for insane military machines, rare trucks, and futuristic beasts on wheels. Today, we're giving you an exclusive first look at something wild, something extreme, something that's rewriting the rules of military engineering. Introducing the all-new Fenrir Viper X9 Tactical 4x4, the next-generation armored Jeep from the future. Buckle up, this is not your average off-roader. Scene 1, Exterior look, 30 seconds. Standing tall in the spotlight of a high-tech military showroom, the Fenrir Viper X9 is a sight to behold. Its aggressive, angular design, matte olive drab paint, and menacing front grille scream combat readiness. The reinforced armor plating hugs every curve of its body, while thick, bullet-resistant windows and a weaponized turret on top complete the tactical look. This thing isn't just tough, it's built like a beast ready for war. Scene 2, Powertrain, 40 seconds. Under the hood, the Fenrir Viper X9 isn't playing around. It's powered by a twin-turbo hybrid V8 engine, delivering up to 620 horsepower, backed by an electric torque boost system for quick launches even in rugged terrain. You've got advanced 4x4 terrain control, self-adjusting suspension, and AI-assisted traction mapping. Whether you're climbing rocky cliffs or cruising through a battlefield, this Jeep handles like a dream and punches like a tank. Scene 3, Interior and Tech, 50 seconds. Now let's step inside. This isn't just a ride, it's a command center on wheels. Inside the Viper X9, you're greeted by a heads-up holographic display, real-time battlefield navigation, encrypted comms, and an AI co-pilot that can auto-detect threats. The cockpit is armored yet sleek, with tactical touchscreen panels and drone launch integration. Yes, you heard that right, this Jeep comes equipped with 2 deployable surveillance drones right out of the dashboard. Scene 4. Defense and Safety, 40 seconds. Now let's talk survival. This vehicle offers level B7 ballistic protection, enough to stop armor-piercing rounds. It has retractable armor plating, underbody blast shielding, EMP-resistant systems, and even run-flat smart tires. Whether it's IEDs, ambushes, or cyber warfare, the Viper X9 is built to endure and respond fast. Scene 5, Special Features, 40 seconds. And just when you thought it couldn't get crazier, the Viper X9 has some wild optional upgrades. Adaptive camouflage skin that blends into surroundings, a waterjet-powered amphibious kit, and a parachute-ready frame for air drops. This is more than a Jeep, it's an all-terrain ghost. Scene 6, Price and Release, 30 seconds. Currently in prototype testing, the base model is expected to cost around $520,000, while the fully loaded version will touch the $640,000 mark. It's built for military use, but don't be surprised if high-security forces or private contractors are next in line. This is the kind of vehicle that turns heads, and maybe starts rumors. Outro, 20 seconds. So